Hello, good evening, guys. Am I audible to all of you? What the last story we have worked out? We have start talking about MySQL database, and we have worked out for execution of what MySQL command. Okay. आता या MySQL commands मध्ये we are just go for the execution of what just executing the command of create, just executing the command of select, execute the command of update as well. We are execute the command of update as well. Now what the next story we have to use? What is the next story we have to execute? See here I am write down user data, semicolon name, email we are getting here. So what the next story we have worked out? What the next story we are executed? We are just execute with the simple execution, that is we just came across for selection and update operation. Selection मध्ये जर तुम्हाला टेबलचा डेटा सिलेक्ट करायचा असेल, you have to write down a simple query, that is select star from table name. Second terminology होती, if you want to go for execution of selecting the data from particular column, select column name 1 comma column name 2 from table name. Okay, so first table select column name 1 comma column name 2 from table name. Secondly, we are work out select star from table name with where condition. Okay, with where condition. Then we are use what next thing we are use, that is and, where with or. Okay, so these are the things we have worked out, these are the things we are executed. Now what the next story we have to execute today? Today we just want to go for execution of a delete operation, guys. Okay, we just want to go for delete operation. We just want to go for delete operation. So how we can work out for delete operation? What is the query we have to write down? Yes guys, delete from table name. See, if I want to delete a particular record from the table, जर मला या टेबल मधलं पर्टिक्युलर रेकॉर्ड डिलीट करायचं असेल, if I want to delete a particular record from table, what is the story we have to execute, what is the query we have to write down? So we have to simply write down here delete from user data, delete from user data, where let's say that what are the records first into this user data, or I can take the user data 3. Okay, auto incremented column we are created in that, select star from user data 3 semicolon. So what I want to do, I just want to delete the second record from this. So how I can write down delete from user data 3 where UID is equals to 3. Okay, मला जर कुठलंही रेकॉर्ड डिलीट करायचं असेल तर त्याच्यासाठी मला काय करावं लागतं, तर सिम्पल क्वेरी वर्कआउट करावं लागते, दॅट इज व्हॉट डिलीट फ्रॉम टेबल नेम वेअर UID इज इक्वल्स टू 3. ओके, डिलीट फ्रॉम टेबल नेम वेअर UID इज इक्वल्स टू 3. सो व्हॉट हॅपन हियर, आय जस्ट डिलीट अ सिम्पल फर्स्ट रेकॉर्ड. मी काय केलंय, सॉरी, आय जस्ट डिलीट अ सिंगल रेकॉर्ड. What the record I delete a third record from table. Are you getting me? Clear,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Okay, so that's the thing we can work out. We just delete with this record. Okay, execute it fast. तू WhatsApp केलाय का मला? I want to delete the complete record. So what is the query? See, just a minute. Delete from user data 3 just semicolon. पहिल्या क्वेरी मध्ये आपण काय लिहिलं, वी आर जस्ट राईट डाउन सिंपल डिलीट फ्रॉम टेबल नेम विथ वेअर कंडिशन. ओके, डिलीट फ्रॉम टेबल नेम विथ वेअर कंडिशन. इन डिलीट फ्रॉम टेबल नेम, व्हाट द स्टोरी वी आर एक्झिक्युटेड, व्हाट द स्टोरी वी आर वर्कआउट, वी आर जस्ट वर्कआउट with deletion of particular record. But when you want to go for execution of complete record deletion, we have to go for complete record, delete the complete record. Okay, so what is the query? Delete from table name. Go fast, your turn. काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे बेटा याच्यामध्ये?
नाही सर, आणखी काय एक मिनिट. काल हा मेसेज येत होता.
शो टेबल्स एरर टेबल स्टुडंट डॉट युजर डेटा नॉट एक्झिट. काय कराय तू DSC युजर. आता बघ इथे काय करते, तू युजर नावाचा टेबलला कॉल करते, बरोबर राईट ना? DSC युजर लिहिलं. मला सांग, युजर नावाचा टेबल तुझ्या डेटाबेस मध्ये आहे का? मग तो कसा शो करेल?
ओके.
तुझ्या याच्यामध्ये कोणता आहे? USEDAT आहे, त्याच्यानंतर
हा,
युजर
मला
डेटा
काल-
नावाचा आहे.
काल मी जसं सगळं फॉलो केलं होतं मला तिथे मध्ये काय म्हणत होते ते
हां सी, मी हा टेबल लिहिला तर मला दाखवतोय. ओके, इफ आय राईट डाऊन दिस टेबल युजर डेटा 1, यू विल शो मी द आउटपुट. क्लिअर ना?
हो, ठीक आहे. सर ते MySQL सर्व्हर वर्जन काय दाखवतो? काल तेच दाखवत होतं.
कुठलं MySQL सर्व्हर वर्जन?
ठीक आहे.
नो, हिअर तुझ्या क्वेरीमध्ये एरर आहे ना, शो डेटाबेस लिहिलंय. क्वेरी इज शो डेटाबेसेस. आर यू गेटिंग मी? शो डेटा BASES सेमीकोलन आलाय.
हो.
क्लियर, डोंट फॉरगेट अ सेमीकोलन. Okay guys, done. First we are delete a simple record, single record. Okay, second we are delete a complete records from the table. In the first case we are delete a first case we are delete a first record, only single record. In second case I want to delete the complete record. So what is the query for that? Delete from table name, delete from table name. Execute. Let me know once it is done. Go fast. You are done. Got the output? Here delete from user data. Right now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now complete it. First we delete the single record. Then we are delete the complete record. Now how we can delete the complete column? Complete table. आपण complete table ला कसं delete करतो? What is the query? Drop table name, that is user data 3. Enter. Drop table name. Drop table name. What is the meaning of this? User data 3 ला drop केला. Okay. So if I write down here show tables, see user data 3 will be deleted. आधी मी पर्टिक्युलर रेकॉर्डला डिलीट केलं. सेकंड केसमध्ये मी पर्टिक्युलर कंप्लीट रेकॉर्ड्सला डिलीट केला. थर्ड केसमध्ये मी complete columns delete केले. Okay, that the thing we are work out, that the thing we are executed. Go fast. Database name. Drop database name, that is MyDB. Use the semicolon. So it just delete a complete database. Am I clear, guys? It just delete the complete database. Now if you want to check show databases, what is the output we are getting? See, MyDB is completely deleted. MyDB is not in execution. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, execute it.
Yes,
fast.
sir.
Execute now. Done, guys. Now what the thing we are did? We are just work out with the execution of databases. Okay, so here we are just work out for creating database, inserting the data, inserting the values, creating the tables and all. So we just work out for this execution. Now what the next story? See, there are the multiple queries into the MySQL. We are just work out with the simple queries, that are the CRUD operation. There are the multiple things. You may go for inner join, outer join. You can select the data from the multiple table. You can select the data from with comparison of one column value with the other table column value. So these n numbers of steps can be worked out, n numbers of steps can be executed. So if you want to go for the execution of connectivity, now what the thing we have to do? See, हम लोगों ने डेटाबेस को क्रिएट किया. डेटाबेस अब हमें पाइथन के साथ इसे कनेक्ट करना है. ओके, सो हाउ वी कैन कनेक्ट इट विद द पाइथन? In what way we can connect with the Python? What are the libraries are available? What are the packages are available? That we need to understand first. In what way we can work out, in what way we can execute. So see, guys, to go for its execution, we have to go for the simple one. If you want to go for its execution, what is the thing we have to do? What is the thing we have to execute? Now, to execute this one, what is the thing we have to do? We have to install PyMySQL library. Okay, आता तुम्हाला जर MySQL सोबत त्याला कनेक्ट करायचं असेल, if you want to connect it with MySQL, what is the story we can work out, what is the story we can execute? you have to go for PyMySQL library, installation of PyMySQL library. How we can install the PyMySQL library? Simply you have to write down pip install PyMySQL. Okay, now what is this PyMySQL? This is a library which will provide you the classes and interfaces for the execution of your database connectivity with MySQL. Okay, it will provide you the way to connect with the MySQL database. For that purpose I just write down here pip install PyMySQL. Go fast, your turn. आपल्याला PyMySQL नावाची लायब्ररी इन्स्टॉल करायची आहे. टू गो फॉर दॅट व्हॉट यू हॅव टू डू, यू हॅव टू जस्ट सर्च द कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट, राइट क्लिक ऑन कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट, रन एज administrator. Okay, click on yes, then write down here pip install PyMySQL. Okay, PyMySQL, pip install PyMySQL. आता माझ्याकडे ऑलरेडी इन्स्टॉल आहे. तुमच्याकडे जर याला प्रॉपरली वर्कआउट करायचं असेल तर तो डायरेक्टली तो इन्स्टॉलेशन दाखवेल तुम्हाला, प्रॉपरली तो इन्स्टॉल होईल तुमच्या मशीनला. इट इज ऑलरेडी इन्स्टॉल्ड टू माय मशीन. गो फास्ट. श्याम, आर यू क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
एक्झिक्यूट फास्ट. अरे एक मुलगी येणार आहे प्रोजेक्टसाठी. what the story we have to execute, what the story we have to work out now. I want to connect this MySQL with Python. Okay, so what is the line of code we have to write down for that? I am just starting my IDE. As I start the IDE, what is the line of code we have to write down? I am just going to a file. Now what is the line of code we have to write down? Here I am just going to write down import PyMySQL, import PyMySQL, mydb is equals to, what is the line I am going to be write down? Listen to me carefully. I just import a PyMySQL library. It is present in PyMySQL package and I want to write down the line of code for connectivity. So what is the line? Import PyMySQL dot connect, PyMySQL.connect. In bracket you have to pass the three parameter. First parameter is host is equals to, in double quotes, localhost. Okay, first parameter is host, in is equals to, in double quotes, localhost. Second parameter user is equals to, double quotes, root. Third parameter we have to pass password is equals to, again root, is equals to, again root. Okay, so what is the line we have to write down to connect Python to MySQL? Because see, what is the need of it? We are work out with the tkinter library. We are taken the text boxes, we are taken the check boxes, we are taken the radio button. Okay, so if you want to send the data of that to the MySQL database, then in that case we have to do the connectivity. Okay, कुठल्याही सॉफ्टवेअरला एक स्ट्रॉंग बॅकएंड असतं, कुठल्याही सॉफ्टवेअरला गरज असते बॅकएंडची. दॅट बॅकएंड्स इज गोइंग टू बी वर्कआउट, दॅट वी आर युझिंग द बॅकएंड ॲज अ MySQL backend. Okay, we are using the backend as a MySQL backend and we are just transferring the data. Okay, so here what I did, I just connect here this Python with MySQL only. मी इथे MySQL ला Python ला MySQL सोबत फक्त कनेक्ट केला. I am not throwing the data. Okay, execute the line. We are just connected with MySQL. मी फक्त MySQL ला कनेक्ट झालोय, मी डेटाबेस ला कनेक्ट नाही झालोय. Because there are the multiple databases and we have to select one database among them. आपल्याकडे खूप सारे डेटाबेसेस आहेत, त्याच्यापैकी आपल्याला एक डेटाबेस सिलेक्ट करायचा, राईट? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how we can connect with the any database among them? Suppose I want to create with this MyDB one. So how I can connect? We have to write down simply database is equals to MyDB1. Okay, PyMySQL.connect, host is equals to localhost, user is equals to root, password is equals to root, and database is equals to MyDB1. So if we are run, now what happened? It just connect with the MySQL and among them it just select MyDB1. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear all of you? Yes or no? Samiksha, Prajakta, Sham, clear? Try to execute, connect with the database.
Yes, sir.
Then we want to create a table from Python. आतापर्यंत आपण जो काही टेबल क्रिएट केला, what is the table we want? We just created that table from command line of MySQL. But right now I don't want to go for the execution of this. I just want to create a table through Python. Fired a query from Python to MySQL. Okay, how we can fire the query from Python to MySQL? What is the way? So see, whenever you want to go for the execution of this, we have to use the cursor method. Cursor. Now what is this cursor? Cursor is nothing but as like that of the pointer. Pointer is pointing to the memory location, but cursor is pointing to the your database record location. Okay, so how we can work out? I am just creating the simple variable of this cursor class, simply cursor, and then going to be call one method cur1. That is a variable name, you can take anything. Execute, in bracket simply write down a query, create table user data11 in bracket uname varchar 900 comma email varchar 900. मी तेच करतोय जे आपण याच्या आधी वर्कआउट केलंय, but difference is that before of this I was worked on command line, but right now I am working on this database, sorry, Python directly. I am not running this command onto the command line. I am not running this command onto the command line. I am just running it through the Python. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I run this, what is the output we are getting? See, this it will be executed, and how I can check? I just go on to the database, use MyDB1 semicolon, show tables. So check whether it is created or not. So user data11 MyDB1 we are using, not created. So is there is any error? Yes. Cursor is not defined. Cursor is, sorry, here you have to write down mydb.cursor. Okay, it's a method of PyMySQL library. Executed. Now let's check. Here we got user data1. Okay, and if I want to describe, you can write down user data11. So see, am I clear? प्राजक्ता समझले का?
Yes, sir.
Execute it fast. We are just created a variable of cursor, mydb.cursor, cur1.execute, create table name, first column name, first data type, comma second column name, second data type, mydb.commit. Go fast.
Sir.
Done now. Execute it. Samiksha done. Okay now. So we are just created a simple table. Create table name in bracket, first column name, data type, second column name, data type. Now what the next story we have to work out? What the next story we have to execute? We are just created the table here, and if I run this again, what is the error I am getting? तुम्ही जर याला परत रन करायला गेलेत ना, it just giving me the error. User data11 is already exist. Why? Why it causing or giving me the error like this? Yes guys, can anyone explain? Why it giving me the error like this?
Sir, because database has one table named user data11, so
Yes.
again same we cannot create new table with same name.
Good, okay. Because user data11 is already exist, and if it is already exist, we can't connect it. Sorry, we can't create it again. Okay, so I'm just going to write down here if not exists. Okay, if not exists. So see, what is the output we are getting? So it just executed right now. So what I change, I just write down if not exist. What is the meaning of this if not exist? Create table when it is not present. ओके, हा टेबलला तेव्हाच क्रिएट करेल जेव्हा तो प्रेझेंट नाही आहे. एम आय क्लिअर?
Yes, sir.
क्लिअर समीक्षा, प्राजक्ता क्लिअर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now simple thing, whenever you want to cross check or you want to create a table when it's required, then in that case you can go for this one. Okay, try to execute, try to work out. Insert operation. ओके, आपल्याला टिक इंटरमधनं डेटा घ्यायचा आहे आणि विंडोला इन्सर्ट करायचं आहे. ओके, सो विल गो ऑन दिस ऑन टुमारो ॲट सेम टाइम. बाय, गुड नाईट, टेक केअर गाईज.